Welcome back guys. Degree Zima Lite, a new robotic, robot pool cleaner guys, budget-friendly review on my YouTube channel. My team from Techitopia obviously will be testing this awesome budget-friendly product for your home guys, maybe for a cabin, for your house, for your villa. It can clean obviously these amazing cool pools if you have one, and I hope if you're a good person, I hope you're gonna get one for yourself one day. Anyway guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy in this test, in this video guys. Watch it till the end, and of course support our channel by shopping with our links. If you decide to buy this robotic cleaner guys, you can buy it with our links. Let's begin with this review.
Summer can't be complete without some water fun, and what better way there is to enjoy your time in a pool. But keeping the pool clean is one heck of a job. Imagine never having to manually clean your pool again, enjoying crystal clear water effortlessly. This can be possible with the Degrii Zima Lite cordless robotic pool cleaner. Let me tell you how this pool cleaner can save you time, money, and effort. The Zima Lite stands out with its advanced ultrasonic mapping technology. This feature ensures every inch of your pool, from the floor to the waterline, is thoroughly cleaned. When you set up the device, the ultrasonic sensors meticulously map out your pool, and yes, even the trickiest corners. This makes sure that every inch of your pool, from the floor to the waterline, is clean and free from dirt and debris. It's like having a smart, dedicated cleaning assistant for your pool, always ready for service. This device is also clutter-free, and you won't be dealing with tangled cords and limited mobility. The Zima Lite operates completely cordlessly, powered by a robust 9300 milliamp battery. You can get up to 180 minutes, 3 hours of uninterrupted cleaning. It's perfect for pools of all shapes and sizes. This little wonder is designed to handle up to 3,800 square feet of cleaning coverage. Equipped with powerful suction ranging from 206 watts at a water flow rate of 4,000 GPH, the Zima Lite can tackle everything, from tiny particles like sand and dust to larger debris like stones, leaves, and twigs. This robotic cleaner ensures nothing is left behind. Its dual, large-capacity 6.5-liter filter cartridges ensure maximum debris capture, leaving your pool sparkling clean. The Degrii Zima Lite cordless robotic pool cleaner is versatile enough to operate in a wide range of depths, from a shallow 2 feet to a deep 11 feet. This adaptability makes it perfect for different pool designs, whether you have a shallow lounging area or a deep diving zone. It's also well suited for pools with various surfaces, including cement and tile. It offers 4 distinct cleaning modes to cater to all your pool cleaning needs. Whether you need to focus on specific areas or want an all-around clean, this robotic cleaner has got you covered. You can easily switch between modes using the user-friendly app or the button on the machine. The waterline mode focuses on the crucial area just above and below the waterline, where dirt and debris like to accumulate. The wall mode ensures that the pool walls are scrubbed and free of grit. The floor mode targets the pool floor, picking up everything that's not supposed to be there. The overall mode provides a comprehensive clean, covering every surface of your pool. While cleaning, the robot will easily overcome any obstacle of up to 3.9 inches, like drains, so you don't have to worry about your robot getting stuck mid-job. This isn't just any pool cleaner, it's a smart one. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can store and keep a check on your pool cleaning records. The app provides real-time updates on the cleaning status, battery life, and more. Plus, with its IPX8 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand the toughest pool environments. This high level of waterproofing means you can trust the cleaner to operate efficiently and safely even in the toughest conditions. Maintaining the Zima Lite is such a breeze. Its design ensures easy access to the filter cartridges for quick cleaning with clear water. Proper cleaning ensures that your Zima Lite will last you for a long time to come. If you're wondering what happens when the battery is low and the Zima Lite is in the water, let me tell you. When the cleaning is complete or the battery is less than 10%, the robot will automatically stop at the edge of your pool, and you can pull it out using the retrieval hook that comes with the robot in the box. And when you get yourself a Zima Lite, forget about having to worry about your pool cleaning needs for a long time. Why? It is built to last with high-quality materials and has a 2-year warranty on the battery and motors. Plus, with Degree's lifetime customer support, you're never alone in your pool cleaning journey. So, are you ready to experience the future of pool cleaning with the Degrii Zima Lite cordless robotic pool cleaner? Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to more free time and endless water fun. Whether you're hosting a pool party or enjoying a quiet swim, the Zima Lite ensures your pool is always ready for a splash. Order yours today for just $599 and transform your pool cleaning routine forever. Shop online with our links and visit us again. Have a nice day.